Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're gonna do is let's go ahead, open our Snapchat app and see. We open our Snapchat app and we would like to get access to a particular person or a friend, but we're not getting access and we don't know if they have blocked us or added us or unadded or removed us. So for the matter, the very first thing you can verify that is by going to your profile, going to your settings icon, going to your profile and simply scrolling down and tapping on this my friends list option. And what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead, search your particular person or your friend. If that friend does not show up over there, you can guess it that that person have removed you or unadded or simply blocked you. You cannot get notified regarding blocking because that's also a privacy concerns. If you block as well, some user won't get notified that you have blocked them. This is one way to find out if you have been blocked. Other thing what you will do is you can again go back to your chat section and you can again go to search bar as well and try to search that particular someone or friend to see if you are blocked. And if that account does not show, then you can just verify that you have been blocked. And if you go to simply add friend section and try to search that person to add again or to send a request, you won't be able to find that user. If that means that person just have blocked you from their Snapchat. So this is the options for you to get notified or to know that if somebody has blocked you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video. Thank you.